Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I will be using the Ace Boutique palette again. You guys know I got this in my BoxyCharm box. I really love it. I love the color story, and this palette is just, it's beautiful. So I definitely want to play around with this palette a lot more, being that spring is around the corner, or I should say here, and it's just a colorful palette. Like, I really want to have the opportunity to try at least all of the colors. I feel like that's not too much to ask. I think I got about good 6 of them eyeshadows that I haven't tried. So this will be my second time using this. Hopefully, because I've been filming a lot, I hope I had the original first tutorial up. I hope so. But anywho, if you guys want to see how to get this full face makeup tutorial, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, my love, so I already prepped and primed my eyes off camera. Y'all know this routine, so now I'm going to jump right into this palette, and I'm going to go in with this beautiful matte brownie red, and it has a little bit of like red undertone to it. So I'm going to take this color and I'm going to blend this into my crease. This is going to be the first act of a transition color for today's look. Alright, so now going back into that palette, I'm going to be going in with this beautiful matte purple. Y'all, this purple is so vibrant. It is gorgeous. It is deep. It's just very, very beautiful. But I'm going to go in with this color, and I'm going to go right in my crease with this. And if you're following my steps and you got the same like eyelid space, I will say definitely use a smaller brush, Nesha. I definitely should have used a smaller brush because it definitely like overpowered the first color that I put on, which was fine because I am going to go in and reapply the color and blend it out. As you guys can see, that is what I'm doing right here. And then of course, you guys, I'm going to cut my crease like no other. I'm going to cut my crease with my favorite mixtures of concealers, and then we're going to move on to the next color. Alright, so once the crease is cut, I'm going to go in with this beautiful matte green color. Y'all, this green is gorgeous, okay? And I knew when the first time I used this palette and I put that green on my lower lash line, if you guys know what I'm talking about, definitely I will refer that to in my description box of the other look that I did using this palette. But when I tried out this green, I knew I wanted to have it all over the lid, so I'm so happy I went with that. This is so beautiful. And then of course I'm going to close out the cut crease with that matte purple. And then right here I decided I really wanted to be really deep just right there in the outer part, because I didn't want to do a wing liner. I was going to do a classic just regular wing liner, so I did put a little bit of black to the outer part of that because, like I said, I wanted the black eyeliner to blend. And then right here I'm going to be going in with this gorgeous glitter from GLOWUP Academy. And as you guys can see, this glitter resembles the eyeshadow that I'm using, but it has a little bit of like a mermaid holographic effect, and it was beautiful and gorgeous. So decided to pop that right on top. But I will definitely say, if you guys want to do the glitter, you can definitely still rock this look without the glitter. As you guys can see on my other eye, the pigmentation is gorgeous, but I just felt like I haven't done a glitter look in a while, so I decided I want to pop it onto this beautiful green eyeshadow. Alright, so we're going on to the face application. I'm going in with my second primer. I forgot to push record on when I used my first primer, but I just used my Touch and Soul moisturizer. But yes, I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. Y'all, this primer is sticky, so make sure you blend your foundation when you are using this primer, but it works really good. It does matte your foundation out. So I'm going in with my two foundation combinations, and I'm going to apply that on my cheek, and I'm doing it a little at a time because with this primer it is very sticky, so it does gravitate towards your foundation very quickly. So you have to move very fast with that because it dries so quickly. So I did a little at a time, so a section at a time is how you gotta do when you use this primer. So now going in with my concealer, I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon. Love this freaking concealer. It gives me my full coverage, and of course it highlights like no other. Okay, so once I have it spread it out with my finger, I am going to go in with my beauty blender and blend it out. Alright, so now I'm going in with Beauty Bakeries setting powder. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this. It sets the concealer so nicely, so smooth, and it doesn't have flashback. I really love the setting powder. So of course I'm going to put this towards the lighter areas where I highlighted at, and then I'm going to go over with the rest of my face with Black Radiance Cocoa Kisses, which is more of my skin tone, and this is what I like to use to completely set my whole entire face. And then of course I'm going to contour with Beauty Bakery Perfect Blend Bronzer. I'm going to contour my cheeks, and I'm going to go down my nose area with this. So I decided to go in with a nice pink lip, so I'm going in with LIVEGLAM lipstick. I believe this one is called Wild Child or Wild Thing, something like that. It's very pretty pink color. This was included in my February box, and I've just been wearing this a lot. It's really a pretty pink shade. And so I'm going in with my pencil, and then I'm going to pop this on my lips, y'all. Look how fast it spread it all over. Do y'all see that? Pigmentation is 1,000, okay? So I'm going to go in with my brush, and I'm just going to quickly blend my lip liner and my lipstick out. And then we're going to go in with some gloss, of course. And for my gloss, I'm going in with I Am Princess Beauty gloss. I will have the name down in the description box, so be sure you guys check it out. Also, there will be a coupon code for you guys to get a little chain off on your orders. But anywho, moving on with Juvia's blush palette. I'm going to pop this beautiful color onto my cheeks. This is definitely going to bring a lot more warmth back into my face. And then we're going to go back into the eyes. I'm going to go in and put a black liner into my waterline. And I'm also going to smudge it just a little bit, going surpass the lash line. And then we're going to go in with the purple that I put in my crease. I just decided just to pop that right on my bottom lash line because I felt like it was going to complement the rest of the look. And y'all know my look would not be my look if I did not pop something in my inner. So I decided to go in with this lime green pigment because I really felt like this was going to complement the look. And y'all, it did, okay? It was the perfect touch to this look. I really love how everything came out. Everything was just perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. If you guys happen to try it out, most definitely go ahead and tag me on whatever social media you are following me on, and I will be so happy to see you guys recreation of this look. But thank you guys so much for watching, of course.